Making your own mayonnaise is a great way to learn the process of emulsification. You'll need grapeseed oil, some Dijon mustard, 1 egg yolk, and some lemon juice. And so in one nice large egg yolk, here we have it. Reserve the egg white, and all the ingredients for making mayonnaise should be room temperature. So we have 1 egg yolk, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Together, the egg yolk, the mustard, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, fresh lemon juice, just a teaspoon, is our liquid into which we are going to mix our oil. And that will be our emulsification. Really, emulsifying is really combining 2 liquids, or in this case, egg yolk and mustard, and liquid with another liquid, in this case, oil, so that there is a suspension. And the egg yolk provides both some liquid, which holds the oil droplets in suspension, and acts as an emulsifier containing lecithin. Now, I have secured my bowl on the counter with a damp towel, just spiraled like this. It really gives a good sturdy base. And we're going to add 1 cup of oil. And I'm using grapeseed oil, a nice stable flavorless oil, which will make a very tasty mayonnaise. And drop by drop, notice what I'm doing, just whisk constantly while you create your emulsion. And don't rush this process. It's already thickening nicely. That egg yolk must have a lot of emulsifier in it. And you can adjust the seasoning. You can add a little bit more lemon juice if you find the need for it at the end. And of course, also salt and pepper. And we are creating a very pretty mayonnaise. Don't get tired. Good arm exercise. You can do this in a blender, in a food processor, or, and I'm going to show you how fast it is, with a handheld immersion blender. Now you can see that it is really emulsified. Look, silky, smooth, looks just like mayonnaise. Now, to rescue broken mayonnaise, in case it does separate, you can start with a fresh egg yolk and carefully work the broken sauce into yet another egg yolk. Your egg yolk may have been too small, or you may have not paid attention while you were adding the oil. Things can go wrong, but it will generally come back together with the addition of yet another egg yolk. Very nice. Now taste it. Definitely needs a little bit of salt, 1/4 teaspoon, and a little bit, because we're going to use this on a BLT, I added a little bit of white pepper. Much better with the salt. Now, if it has to be thin, if it's too thick, you can add just a tiny, tiny bit of water, room temperature water. So there you have a very nice homemade mayonnaise. And you can keep this, I would say, maybe up to 5 or 6 days in the refrigerator. Now, let me show you how fast it is to make it with this handheld immersion blender. Many of you must have one of these at home. There's a blade right in here, keep your fingers away, that acts like an electric mixer. And this is great for pureeing and for making soups and sauces. But use a deep container like this 2-cup measure, and we're going to make it right in here. And you'll need 1 large egg yolk. Use the best, freshest eggs, of course. And a teaspoon of high-quality Dijon mustard, and a teaspoon of lemon juice. And we have yet another cup of grapeseed oil. So we're going to incorporate this. Now, watch how quickly the emulsification takes place. Now, drop the oil like right on top. And generally, you can hear the emulsification take place. The sound, as the mixture thickens, is audibly different from when you started. getting thicker. Sounds like it's having a little bit more difficulty turning. It isn't, but it has already thickened up. Then you can speed up the addition process. You have very nice quality mayonnaise. So nice. So whether you make your mayonnaise emulsion by hand or with a blender, you will find that the taste is superior and the texture absolutely superb.